Hello everyone, Namaskar. In this part we are going to discuss what is absolute value and problems based on absolute value from practice set 2.5. या व्हिडिओ मध्ये आपण absolute value वर आधारित practice set 2.5 मधून काही absolute value म्हणजे काय? If x is real number, then absolute value of x is its distance from 0 on the number line. See here, if x is real number, then its absolute value is what? It is distance from 0 on the number line. And absolute value of x, it is written as like this. And how to read this? Absolute value of x or modulus of x. Now, here this x may be greater than 0 or x may be less than 0 and x is equal to 0. In this case, what is modulus of x? Let us see first case, if x is greater than 0, then modulus of x is x. Here x is greater than 0, that means x are all positive. Let us take one example, 4. Let us find modulus of 4. 4 is greater than 0. Then modulus of 4 is 4. See here, modulus of x is x. If x is less than 0, that means if x is negative, then modulus of x is negative x. Now here, negative 4 is less than 0. Then modulus of negative 4 is also 4. Why it is 4? See this. Modulus of x is negative x. पहा इथे modulus of x is negative x. आता इथे x ची व्हॅल्यू काय? x आपल्याला x ची व्हॅल्यू आहे negative 4. आणि म्हणून काय होईल? Modulus of negative 4 is equal to, ही निगेटिव्ह आपण देऊ आणि आपला x काय आहे? बघा, ही निगेटिव्ह साइन घेतली आहे आणि आपला x काय आहे? negative 4. आणि म्हणून मी ब्रॅकेट मध्ये काय लिहिणार आहे? negative 4. आणि म्हणून इथे निगेटिव्ह makes positive आणि we will get positive 4. म्हणून एक लक्षात घ्या की x हा निगेटिव्ह असो किंवा x हा पॉझिटिव्ह असो, ऍब्सोल्यूट व्हॅल्यू जी आहे ती नेहमी पॉझिटिव्ह आहे. कारण ऍब्सोल्यूट व्हॅल्यू म्हणजे काय? डिस्टन्स फ्रॉम 0 ऑन द नंबर लाइन. And all of us know that distance is never negative and therefore absolute value is always positive. बघा, डिस्टन्स फ्रॉम 0 ऑन द नंबर लाइन म्हणजे ऍब्सोल्यूट व्हॅल्यू. आता हे डिस्टन्स हे कधीच निगेटिव्ह नसतं, डिस्टन्स हे नेहमी पॉझिटिव्ह असतं आणि म्हणून ऍब्सोल्यूट व्हॅल्यू ही नेहमी काय आहे? पॉझिटिव्ह. आता इज 0 आणि म्हणून यावरनं आपण कन्क्लुजन काढू शकतो की द ऍब्सोल्यूट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ एनी real number is never negative because absolute value is distance from 0 on the number line and distance is never negative and therefore absolute value is never negative. Absolute value ही कधीच निगेटिव्ह नसते, ती नेहमी पॉझिटिव्ह असते. कारण ऍब्सोल्यूट व्हॅल्यू म्हणजे काय? 0 पासून किती अंतर आहे ते. कुठल्याही नंबरचं 0 पासून किती अंतर, आणि अंतर हे कधीच निगेटिव्ह नसतं आणि म्हणून ऍब्सोल्यूट व्हॅल्यू ही कधी. लेट्स सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 फ्रॉम प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.5. हियर modulus of 15 minus 2. We know 15 minus 2 is 13 and therefore modulus of 13 is 13 because 13 is greater than 0 and we know that if x is greater than 0 then modulus of x is x. Let us solve next example. Modulus of 4 minus 5. Here we get modulus of negative 5 and we know absolute value is never negative and therefore modulus of negative 5 is 5. Because we know if x is less than 0 then modulus of x is negative x, that is modulus of negative 5 is minus of minus 5, that is plus 5. In short, what you have to remember that absolute value of any real number is always positive. Here, this is negative, but absolute value is positive. This is positive, absolute value is positive. Now, we will find absolute value separately. This is modulus of 7 and it is 7, and we know modulus of negative 4, it is also 4 because absolute value is never negative, and thus we get 7 4s 28. In this way, let us solve question number 2. We know that absolute value of any real number is always positive. It is never negative. But here we have to find absolute value of 3x minus 5 is equal to 1. Here we have variable, and therefore here 3x minus 5 is equal to 1 or 3x minus 5 is equal to negative 1. Here we have taken positive and here we have taken negative. आता इथे आपण काय करणार? Adding 5 to both the sides, we get 1 plus 5, or here negative 1 plus 5. Now we get 3x is equal to 6 or 3x is equal to 4. Therefore, x is equal to 6 upon 3 or x is equal to 4 upon 3. Therefore, x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 4 upon 3. In this way, we can solve this question. Now, this also contains variable. तर यातही व्हेरिएबल आहे म्हणून आपण याचप्रमाणे हे सोडवू. इथे मिळेल आपल्याला 7 minus 2x is equal to 5 or 7 minus 2x is equal to negative 5. आता इथे हा जो आहे हा निगेटिव्ह 2x आहे, इथे पण निगेटिव्ह 2x आहे, आणि म्हणून आपण काय करू, हा इकडे ट्रान्सफर करू, म्हणजे हा होईल पॉझिटिव्ह आणि इकडे 7 minus 5. सो here also, therefore 7 plus 5 is equal to 2x. Therefore we get 2 is equal to 2x or 12 is equal to 2x. And therefore we get x is equal to 2 upon 2 or 12 upon 2 is equal to x, that is x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 6. Solve third example. Here 8 modulus of 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to 5. We get 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to 5 or 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to negative 5. So multiplying to both the side we get 5 into 2, or here 8 minus x is equal to negative 5 into 2. We get 8 minus x is equal to 10 or 8 minus x is equal to negative 10. Therefore, here negative x, therefore we will write x is equal to 8 minus 10, that is x is equal to negative 2, or here x is equal to 8 plus 10, that is x is equal to 18. Therefore, we have x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 18. Modulus of 5 plus x upon 4 is equal to 5. Therefore, we get 5 plus x upon 4 is equal to 5 or 5 plus x upon 4 is equal to negative 5. And therefore, here we get x upon 4 is equal to 5 minus 5, or here x upon 4 is equal to negative 5, negative 5. Right? So we get x upon 4 is equal to 0 or x upon 4 is equal to negative 10. Thus we get x is equal to 0 into 4, that is x is equal to 0, or here x is equal to 4 into negative 10, we get negative 40. So we have two values here, x is equal to 0 or x